Alright guys, we got this 2009 Honda Fit that we're going to be doing the replacement bulbs for the stock halogens on the brake lights. As you can see on the right, you have the LED already installed, and on the left you have the stock halogens. Okay, so now we got the turn signals on the left and turn signal on the right. So those also have been replaced. Okay, so I'll be showing you all the installation process and also give you the numerations, you know which bulbs to use. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how it's going to work. Okay, so there's a little panel here you got to remove, a little door. Once you remove this, pretty much you have your plugs going to be, one's going to be up here and one's going to be down there. Okay, the top one's going to be your turn signal and the bottom one's going to be your brake light. So we already popped them out. Your original bulbs will look like these ones. Alright, so the amber ones are your turn signals, the clear ones are your stoplight. Okay, so what we're going to be using to replace these are going to be 7443s. Okay, so this one's the amber and the other one's going to be the red ones. Okay, so pretty easy. All you're going to do is just twist. If this was inside, you're just going to twist it off and pop it out. Okay, so I'm going to install it now. Okay, so that one's done, and I'll take off the turn signal real quick because we already installed that one. Let's see, where are you? Simple as that. You just untwist it, pop in your new one, and then just put it back in. Okay, there you go, locks in place, and that pretty much concludes everything for this installation. It'll be the same thing on your passenger side. So on this one as well, we've already installed them. You can see them right there, and all you need to do now is test them, make sure it works.
Easy come, easy go. Until I met you, it was. Until I met you, easy come, easy go.
So one thing you want to mention is that at this moment, all LEDs on the market for turn signals, it'll cause you that problem with hyper flash, and it only happens in the turn signal. When you activate your emergency lights, it'll run at the normal speed. Okay, so other than that, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know, and thank you for watching.
Beautiful morning.